Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm attempting to make an irregular video series where I unbox my growing backlog of collector's editions. Let's start with the Persona 3 Reload limited edition box that I got from Datablitz. Can I just say I really love the packaging of this box. I love the rainbow foil, the sturdy cardboard, and all the artwork all around it. It really makes me appreciate the character art and the design of the game. So when you open up the box, the first thing that you see is the game CD. And yes, I got the PlayStation 5 version even if I don't have a PS5, just for collector's purposes. You also get an official OST, and this is what the case looks like. And finally, you get a cute contract just like the main character with a DLC code on the back. At the bottom of the box, you'll find two things that I'm really excited about in this CE. Every Persona CE I have has an art book just like this, and I can't wait to show you guys what's inside. Last but not least is the box with the C's armband inside, which is probably the top reason why I got the CE in the first place. Anyway, this is what the inside of the game case looks like, although I am a little disappointed we didn't get a steelbook case. I did get the China version of the game, which I was able to easily replace through Datablitz, so thank you Datablitz. And OMG, I really love the packaging of the original soundtrack in this CE because look at that! When you open the case up, you get two CDs. Yes, you heard that right, that's two. And a thin booklet that has the whole track list and some lyrics. I've been a big fan of Persona 3 music for such a long time, so having a physical version of the OST is really nice. Now let's move on to the Persona 3 Reload art book. I like that the art book is hardbound so that the pages inside will be well protected. Honestly, I find the content a little thin, but Atlus will probably make a thicker art book in the future. It does have a lot of interesting concept art and references if you have cosplay plans. Finally, let's take a look at the box that houses the C's armband. When Atlus first announced that they were going to produce a real-life version of the C's armband, I knew I had to get the CE. Attention to detail can be found even inside the box with the Kirija Electronics branding and the C's logo. And finally, this is what the armband looks like. It's made of a thick cloth material and has the Gekkokan High logo as hardware. There is some padding and snap buttons for you to attach the two ends together. Anyway, that's all there is to the unboxing. Thanks for watching. Until the next video.